not everyone else. You're watching that like you can relax. You're trying to be cool, but you look like a fool to me. Tell me why you have to go and make things so complicated. I see you, baby, acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Bakit mami may sira? Ako bang dahilan na sira? Pinag-aaralan pa lang ni mami. You'll see I love when you strike a pose. Take off all those preppy clothes. You know you're not fooling anyone when you become somebody else. Not everyone else. You're watching your dad like you can relax. You're trying to be cool, but you look like a fool to me. Tell me why you have to go and make things so complicated. I see you, baby, acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, and you fall and you go and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. You promise me I know I'm not mistaken. No. Chill out, what you're yelling for. Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see somebody else. Ang bako na mo. Like you can relax. You try to be cool, but you look like a fool to me. Tell me what? Mas ba? Isa lang. Hey, ano na ito? Acting like you're somebody else gets me. Di ba ibig sabihin mo kasi kailangan? And you come and you go and you break and you take and you get and you turn it into honesty. You promise me I will never find you, baby. No, no, no. Punta ko na dito, but this is the so paano may hello, so kayo nang bahala walang may iwan sa bahay sana natin nyo dito tapos muli ka ng bahay. Hindi naman nakakaitin ng Tagalog masyado. It's alright, pero still dapat i-instill mo yung Filipino values. Iba pa rin yun, di ba? No? Hello little girl, do you go to school? Ayaw kong kausapin. Ang tingin ng bata sa akin, para lang ako nasa loob ng aquarium. Sabi ng bata, sinusunod bawat dalaw ko. Wala lang pakainin ako. Kapatid. Tapos na tayo sa bata. Dito naman tayo sa mga teeners, mga single ladies. Sa palapak mo na mga magagandang single ladies. Aba, kahit hindi maganda, pumalakpak. Basta importante single ladies. So nagtaka kang bakit single ka. Pumalakpak ang mga guwapo ng mga binata. Aba, marami din. Pumalakpak ang nagaganda ang mga misis. Kami, palakpak pag nagaganda ang misis. Hindi na kayo misis. Ano pa mangyari? Lola, misis pa rin. Di ba, misis pa rin yun? Oh. O lola na misis. Palakpak, maganda, glamorous ang lola mo. Yan. Okay, pumalakpak naman ang mga virgin pa. Nakita mo na, marami palang sinungaling talaga sa Italia.
Marami ba?
Oo, yung mga... Hindi na anak, virgin pa. Hanggang ilang anak ba? Una po ka de Gracia, Barangay La Bamba, La Preparahama, No Pericasta, Puerta Medina, Costa Rica. From the land of the beautiful women, dismiss Venezuela. Japan. My name is Chibi Tamaki, says Komikoto Kokiko Amoino, Kipay ko pasak na. From Tarugo, Ukinam, Japan! From the land of herbs, curries, and spices, is Miss India. My Pulasig Marangkilay, my name is Dimas Islat Bu, and I represent the Bayakan ng Kumakalumbo, country of Calcutta, Uutang ka ba, India! Our very own, from the Pearl of Orient, our pride is Miss Philippines! Mabuhay, mabuhay, at kumuting bagay mga matay sa close ng aking makalayan mabubuhay. Magandang po kayo gabi sa lahat at posibilidad ka rasa nang mula sa bagay na labing na labing tawag yung kami kakit-akit mga malagyan ng bagay sa batapong ito. Ang masuki at iskin aking langit wag lamang ulit, ang lamang labit, makililiit kung ayaw malait. Shit! Sa Latin America, one of the hottest place on earth is Miss Chile.
Para wala sa ano, mag-ano.
Sabi nyo, here's first time minister of Miss Universe, we had a special candidate from a special nation, a special child. Here's Miss Mongolia. Here's Miss Kenya. Mula sa bansa ni Eto Duba, ako si Katrina Halili sa sex video scandalo dahil nakita ang po Kenya! From the land of pasta and spaghetti, from the fashion capital of the world, here's Miss Italy. Children, good evening. My name is Maria Agnes Santi Scholastica, representing the Latin city of Rome, Italy. I was sent here by Mother Superior to tell the world that nuns are also beautiful and sexy. But I told her, oh, but Mother, what about other duties? And she replied, oh, just go on, my child. Just don't forget to bring Del Monte spaghetti sauce. Don't forget to make this for me yesterday. I'd like to thank you again for really giving us your time and letting us to share the gift of laughter. Salamat po talaga at dahil dyan ay patuloy na meron kayong trabaho. At sana pa rin kita pa tayong punta ng passion at saka laplay. Here's Ethel once again to do